I wanted to real quick talk to you about entitlement and how that works with VA. The VA home loan is one of the best loans that's out there, and there's a ton of myth and misinformation that goes out there with it. One of those is that you can only use the VA home loan once, and that is not true. You can use it multiple times, and you can even have multiple VA home loans at the same time. Think of a VA home loan as an insurance policy. The VA is not giving the veteran the loan. The lender is backing that loan. What the VA is doing is they are ensuring to the investor or the lender that they are so confident that the veteran will not foreclose on this loan that they're going to give the lender 25% of the outstanding balance should that veteran go into foreclosure. If I'm the lender and you buy a house for $144,000 and you go into foreclosure, VA is going to offset our loss by $36,000, 25% of the total loss. So basic entitlement is $36,000. Bonus entitlement is everything above that. So take 36 times 4, $144,000 is where you will be using your basic entitlement. If you want to buy a house more than $144,000, you go $1 over that and you're now dipping into bonus entitlement. So technically you can have two homes at the same time, both carrying a VA loan. But where the details start to get a little more hairy is when it comes to that entitlement calculation. When it comes to possibly making a non-contingent offer with a VA purchase, this way you don't have to sell the first house. If debt to income can handle that, you've got to be careful how much you're going to spend on that new home to make sure you've got the entitlement to cover it. The lender needs to be knowledgeable when it comes to how to do those calculations, or you might get under contract and it won't be until it hits underwriting that you realize you have an entitlement issue. Maybe you don't have enough left. There's only so much you can use and continue to put down $0 with a purchase. So point is, it gets a little complicated. Talk to your loan officer, have an open line of communication, and make sure that you've asked questions about your entitlement and what you have available so that you can maximize the benefit to its fullest.